are finally leaving Myrtle Beach, and we're up on Highway 9, and I have never seen this road. The car ahead is my daughter's car, and the hot car behind me is Grand Strand Water and Sewer, and we're the only cars on this highway right now. Everywhere you look, it looks like a freaking ghost town. It's just such an eerie feeling this morning. I've talked to several people, and it's emergency ambulance to the left. Oh, cops want to make sure that we're not speeding. Okay. Yeah, very, very deserted. Everywhere you look, everybody's gone. And it's just overall an eerie feeling. And the winds are just picking up a little bit. It's nothing major. It's not really raining. Once in a while you get a few